We have been walking in the same neighborhood every day. And today, we're gonna try something different. Let's go down, let's go up that road. This is a hill by Sprouts, and it's a dog running area also. Highway is right over there. You'll see it when we get to the top. It's a pretty popular place. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
I'm Gary. Windy Wedekind.
Windy Wedekind. It's probably gonna be too windy to even have this because I don't have a muffler on my phone. But anyway, it's a great place for dog walking. And so we might get to see some dogs today. I see some up ahead. And it's a good little climb. We've been doing a lot of sidewalk walking. And that's just not a good enough workout for the legs.
And it's getting breezier.
Yeah. So we might just be doing pictures for the rest of this. There's a lot of trails here. It's a good place to just go for walks, get outside, and something with an incline. That's what we needed. And I think that is a lot taller than you think it is. Just the idea of having the rocks here is enough, you know. I mean, it's not even. We've got our hiking boots on because terrain is not smooth. A little more challenge today. That's what we needed. More challenge. Ooh. There we go. We're actually doing one of many things people can do to boost their immune systems. Been doing a lot of videos on that lately. Been posting a lot of videos on boosting your immune system with different meals, different foods to eat, because that is so important, and there's just not anything being said about it in mainstream news. We've been walking sometimes, gosh, 10,000 steps at least. We're gone sometimes for hour and a half, and we've been putting on a lot of steps, but we're just not getting the cardio. Yeah, I mean, we get back and it's like, okay, we're back. And it hasn't just been enough. So we had to drive here 4 miles to get here, but it's just something we definitely needed to do. There are so many different ways you can go here. That's a trail we have not done before, the one that goes straight ahead. I don't know if you can see the guy over there walking. Let's zoom in a little bit to get a better idea. And it goes around that hill, and then there's a whole bunch more that go on the other side of that hill. So there's a lot of area here, and you won't really run across very many people until you get back towards the beginning. Tall buildings are downtown Sparks. You hear the birds? Okay. We have discovered that this trail doesn't have a lot of people on it. So we're thinking this is probably a good one to be on today. A little more green than it was before. Got just enough moisture between some snow and some drizzly weather to start turning the sagebrush green again. And you can smell it sometimes when you walk past a whole group of it like that. You can smell it. It smells really good. I love sage. Wildlife. I've seen several of them.
Much bigger in person.
Yeah. hope you liked that little hike.
We did.
Yes,
It was
we
good.
did. We did. And don't knock the walking. I mean, we don't want you to think that walking isn't good enough, because it's better than nothing. It's better than binge watching Netflix and ordering delivery pizza. You know, get up and do something to boost your immune system. So, yeah.
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy, stay well, and it's just beautiful outside in most of the country right now, so get out there and enjoy it. We saw a lot of people out here today.
And a few dogs. That's good.
So, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Smash it if you want. And ring that little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time new videos come up. And check out our Facebook page for more things. And until next time, God bless.